1.5 ounces. So not like the other one, which is a 1 ounce.
1.5.
A half ounce of Cointreau.
I should have left the Cointreau open.
Oh, you should have yes, you should have. Now here's where it gets tricky. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice.
Where are you going to get fresh lime juice?
This time of year.
Exactly. Good luck.
Yeah.
Good heavens. Fortunately, we have some limes right here in our hot little hands.
Oh, are they imported?
They are.
Ah.
They're very imported.
Oh, yeah, this is not the same cocktail without them.
And how much? 3/4 of an ounce?
Of lime juice, which is a fair bit.
It actually is.
With
but that's what keeps the malaria away. I don't know.
It does? No. Scurvy.
Scurvy.
None of us have scurvy.
That we know of.
What? You think Dave might have an undiagnosed case of scurvy?
Well, he does. He's not feeling very well, so it's probably scurvy.
No, I don't think so. I get a lot of vitamin C.
Well, it's probably the opposite of scurvy.
Oh yeah.
Scurvo. Yeah, you can't have too much vitamin C. That's bad for you. It mucks up the whole thing.
You can't have too much? You can have
No, you can have. It's awful because it's they acidify all the food now.
Yeah?
And it'll screw your stomach up if you have too much vitamin C.
Not my stomach.
Well, maybe not, but somebody like Dave.
Oh, Dave, sure. Dave, look at him. He's weak.
He's weak from too much vitamin C. And now he's got too much acid.
Linus Pauling used to take 10,000 milligrams.
Linus Pauling?
Yeah, Pauling.
Oh, who's he?
He's the guy that discovered DNA.
Is he dead now?
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, that's too much vitamin C.
But he also believed in vitamin C. And so he...
Is this a shaken one or a stirred one?
Well, funny you should ask. Give it a shake.
We're shaking it.
Shake, baby, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, there you go.
Your hands get too cold to hold.
That's how you know.
You call the Ghostbusters and they're in control.
So Linus Pauling, yes, he was the big booster of vitamin C. He was a vitamin C booster.
Right.
That's what he was.
Yeah, but he died from excessive vitamin C.
No, I don't think that's what that was.
So
He won 2 Nobel Prizes. One for, I think, chemistry and one for the Peace Prize.
Really?
He was very much an anti-war, anti-nuclear activist.
Oh, he'll be able to join Donald Trump. He's
Oh, yeah.
Here it is.
There it is. Look at this wonderful drink.
Well, that's not very red.
No,
this looks
let's
fantastic.
see what...
There's
yeah,
this
you
pink.
see.
It looks like...
Huh.
How
does that look like?
How does this...
That looks like a Tom Collins?
Yeah, no, exactly.
Yes, there's no way that this should be as pink as it is in the picture. This is
Purely yellow.
And advertising.
This has clear Cointreau in it, it has clear gin in it, and it has lime juice in it. It's going to be a hazy shade of whiteness.
I love that song.
Yeah, I don't know how they got that color. That strikes me as wrong, I want to say.
I think sometimes pictures are inaccurate.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. They should be more accurate.
They should be more accurate.
Like a sketch?
But you can easily put a filter in front of a thing, and then you are completely out of luck.
Yeah.
Bottoms up, gentlemen.
All right, here we go.
Does it take you back to Burma, circa 1922?
It does. Oh, this would be great on a Burmese balcony.
Right.
Yeah, refreshing drink from the humid jungle.
Yeah.
The humid jungle.
It's,
The human jungle.
It's not very sweet.
No, it's quite tart. Certainly tastes the gin, though.
Yeah. No, it's a gin forward for sure. Yeah, so much sweeter than the Lucien, as I like to call them. We're on a first name basis.
Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Ever since you joined the Pegu Club
Here
together.
it is. I joined the Pegu Club.
Yes.
There you go, folks.
Thank you very much.
Would you order this one again, Mr. Coin?
I think I would. I think I would. It's quite appealing, quite refreshing.
Is this if I was drinking, would I call this a summertime drink?
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah, it clears the fog. It creates a new fog.
Yes, replaces the fog with a fog of your own.